Welcome back. Uh, in the previous video, we saw how to make corrections in the bona fide page. Now we'll start with uh, writing our introduction. So you just have to come down in your format underscore thesis.txt file and see chapter. So wherever you type slash chapter, automatically a new chapter will be made. So here we can make a section. This section will be labeled automatically. So inverse problem in this case will be 1.1. So we can simply type anything below inverse problem, and that will be printed in this section. So for example, I'm typing simply something and then build and run. Let it take some time, and you will see that after the structural there will be this text simply something. So see, after the structure there is simply something. Okay, so similarly you can type anything here, and that's how you write something in LateX. Quick revision: slash chapter, this will make a new chapter in your thesis. Slash section, this will make a section in your thesis. You don't need to make a section, but you should make a section. You can also have something known as subsection, which is here. So you can create subsections 1.1, and you can also create subsections. So this is how you structure a page, a text passage in LateX.